should say hi to my video. Come on.
Hi.
No, here. This is Isaac. Say hi.
Hi.
No, wave your hands. Good morning. Coffee. What? Come. What are you eating? Hmm? He's eating Doritos.
No,
Too early. It's like 5 a.m. in the morning.
No,
Yes.
bro, it's only 10.
See, it's 6:33.
Huh?
And he's eating Doritos. See right here. Where is it? Show it.
I don't have it. See, the only thing I have is a paper airplane. See, look. That's yours.
It's not mine. It's yours.
See, look, you too, you're eating it. Okay, I'm done eating now.
What flavor is this? This is good.
It's barbecue.
I have barbecue too. The big one. The gray one?
Oh no, that's a different one.
But this one is much more better.
It's nice.
Ow. Too soft. Wow. What are you doing?
I'm practicing.
Hello. When it 40 years old. Wow. Huh? Multiple hawks, Pug Lake. 8 children. What? Solar camp. So, nandun sila. Nagpipicture sila doon sa may bangka. So, ito yung view. Yan. Yan sila. May tour guide kasi nagsasalita doon maabutan na kami. Kaya, naunahan na namin.
You need glasses.
Ah, can I check the weather on your phone? Your phone is in your car.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can I check the weather on Papa's phone? No.
Gusto niya maglaro, hindi siya makababa.
Ano ba? Istigin ko na. Kanina ba ito?
Kahit kanino.
Istigin na yan. Dudurog na yan. Joke nga. For premium only.
Paid premium.
Paid premium.